Dear friends, this is day 5 weight loss challenge. So let's begin. So let's start with a warm up. First, let's begin with a simple warm up with the hands and with the legs. So come to the cat and cow posture, flatten your feet from the back and make sure to align your hands. Now inhale, move your body forward. Exhale, move your body maximum back. Inhale, your body forward. Exhale, slowly move your body down and try to touch your hips with your heels. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Now adjust your hands and move your right hand in front of your body and lift your left leg up from the back. Balance and exhale down. Switch your hand and body. I mean switch your hand and leg. And down. Come on, activate your spine, activate your arm and leg, and also try to balance out your body at a time. Exhale down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, stretch your spine and body. Exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now point your knees outside and try to touch your toes with each other. Drag and press your body all the way back and come to the child's pose. Open your fingers on the ground. Inhale, come forward. Open your legs, lie down on the mat. Inhale up in cobra. This is how. Let's warm the back. Press your body back, touch your feet and drag your body down. Inhale forward, open your legs, lie down. Inhale up to the cobra. Exhale, take knee support. Touch your feet, exhale and go back. Inhale, open your legs and go down. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, touch your feet and back. Inhale, lie down. Inhale up, cobra. Exhale, touch your feet and go back. Inhale 3 more times, lie down. Inhale up, touch your elbows by the side. Exhale, go back. Inhale, open your legs, lie down. Inhale all the way up and gently go back. Last and final time, lie down, up to the cobra. Exhale, go back and come forward. Knees shade together. Now move your body forward, tuck your feet inside and come to the Kumbhakasana or Phalakasana. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and done. Bend your knees. Now press your body back and try to touch your hips with your heels if possible for you. Now come forward. Come to the plank pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch your knees down. That time, flatten your feet and bring your arms up. A little backward bending, not much. Engage your hip muscles. Exhale, hand should be here. Move your body forward and come to the Kumbhakasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch your knees down. Press your body back. Flatten your feet. Bring your arms up and back. Exhale. Gently hands on the ground. Move your body forward. Feet inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Hips back. Bring your arms up and back. Exhale. Come on, 3 more times. Off your knees from the floor. Tighten your hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Bring your arms all the way up and back. Exhale. 2 more times. 5, 4. Engage your core. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down. Body back. Inhale and back. Exhale. Last and final time. Tuck your toes inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down. Bring your arms all the way up and back. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palms on the ground. Now tuck your toes inside and move your left leg between your both hands. Now from here, exhale, try to straighten your leg if possible for you. Otherwise, you can try to press your hips back according to your flexibility of your body. Inhale, come forward, a maximum forward. Exhale, go back. Move your legs one by one up and turn your palms all the way up. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Twist your body and move your right hand back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the center. Namaskar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Twist your body. Other hand back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center. 5, 4, 3. You can take support if you want. 2, and 1. Touch your lumbar down and come to the low boat pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the boat pose, half boat pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the low boat pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lie down. Now your left leg 90 degree. You can take support if you want and stretch your toe inside. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your left leg down, right leg up. If you want support, please give support. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other leg also up and come to the Ardha Halasana. Hand should be by the side. Stay here for 10 breaths. You can bend your knees if you're not feeling comfortable. 5, 4, 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees, move your body, keep taking support and come to the half boat pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both legs down. Now use your left hand and grab your right feet and twist your body. Keep taking support. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch your side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change your leg, change your side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last and final time. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now come to the half boat pose. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 low boat pose. Engage your core and half boat pose. Let's do it. Exhale down, low boat pose and half boat pose. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. 5 more times. 5 and back. 4 and back. 3 back. 2 back. 1 and lie down. Now simply support your hips so that you won't feel any kind of pressure around your back. Now your both legs should be 90 degree and start the rotation of your legs. Rotate your legs 10 times circular motion clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can bend your knees if you're not feeling comfortable. 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, now 1. Hug your leg. Stay here for 5 breaths and relax your legs, relax your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we are now. Legs 90 degree. 10-second hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now let's do the Ekpadapavamuktasana, one leg with releasing pose. Let's do it 25 times. Hug your one leg and straight your other leg 30 degree in the air. 1, 2, press your other leg close to your belly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and hug your legs. Now move your body side to side and relax a while. Relax your core, relax your hips, especially your thighs. Now straight your legs on the ground and rest in Shavasana for 5 minutes to 10 minutes and relax your body completely. Relax completely. After proper relaxation, bend your knees, take left turn and sit. If you find this video helpful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe us. Now let's come to the question of the day. Comment down then which asana you like most out of this video which we have performed today. Till then, take care, keep practicing yoga with Sai Yoga. Till then, have a sigh of relief.